Hi there! Welcome to very first video of Adobe Premiere Pro video editing class, and in this lesson we are going to learn how to set your project and how it will import video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. So you can take a look. This is my interface of Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is my project panel, and you can take a look. I have some video clips over here, and I imported that video clips for editing. And this is my timeline, and you can take a look. Here is a video clips I imported. Here is another, and here is another. So we are going to learn the entire things in this lesson about the how to setting up your project and how it will import video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. So let's take a look on details. So when you will run Adobe Premiere Pro, you will have a home screen, something like this. So you can take a look. This is my home screen. And at first we have to create a new project before editing. Actually, creating a new project is essential because when you will import any video or audio clips, or when you will do the editing, every single thing will be saved under a project. That's why creating a new project is essential. So let's start the creating your new project. And to create, you just have to click the create new option, or if you don't have this create new option on your software, then you have to go for a new project option. So let me click on this new project, and this is the pop-up for creating the new project, and this is the field for writing the project name. So let me write basic editing. Okay, basic editing. This is my project name, and the second field is location. So you have to set the location where the project will be saved. Okay, once it will done, you have to click the OK option. So let me click OK. Okay, cool. This is my interface of Adobe Premiere Pro, and let's get introduced with the different type of settings in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so this is our project panel. The video and audio clip it will import for editing. You will get the imported video and audio clips inside the project panel. This is our timeline. Most of the video you have to edit inside the timeline. And this is our program panel, or you can consider this program panel as a preview panel, because the video you will edit inside the timeline, you will have the preview inside our program panel. And this is our source monitor. You will have the effect control, audio clips mixer, and metadata inside our source monitor. Okay, and you can take a look. We have different type of workspace available here, like learning, assembly, editing, color, effects, audio, graphics, and libraries. So when you will select a workspace from here, the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro will be changed. Suppose if you want to use the learning workspace, then the interface will be changed. So let me click the learning workspace, and you can take a look. The interface is changed. And if you want to work with the assembly workspace, then you have to click on this assembly workspace. Then you will have the different type of interface for assembly workspace. This is the editing workspace, color workspace, effect workspace, audio, and graphics. Okay, but mostly we have to work with the editing workspace. Okay, cool. So this is our program panel. Suppose you did a video editing inside the timeline and you want to have a larger preview inside the program panel. So how you can do that? You can enlarge the area of program panel very easily. If you want to enlarge the program panel, then you just have to place your mouse cursor in between the source monitor and program panel. When you will place your mouse cursor in between of program panel and source monitor, the cursor of your mouse will be look something like that, and you just have to enlarge the area by your mouse. And if you want to enlarge the program panel at bottom, you have to place your mouse cursor in between of timeline and program panel. Then you will be able to increase the area at bottom. So right now we have the larger program panel, and if you want to get back the previous workspace for editing, you can bring it back very easily. You just have to go for Windows menu. Here is the Windows menu, and from there you will get this workspace option, and from there you just have to go for reset to saved layout. So when you will click the reset to saved layout, you will have the default editing layout or interface for your Premiere Pro software. So let me click on this reset to saved layout. You can take a look. We have the previous interface for editing workspace. So it's not matter how you change the workspace or interface. Even if you miss the entire workspace, you don't have to worry about it. You can bring it back very easily using the reset to saved layout. So we just introduced with the different type of workspace, and this is the time for import a video clip in our Premiere Pro for editing. I already given an exercise file in our resource section, so you just have to download the exercise file, and if you have the exercise file, then you can practice along with me. So I'm pretty sure you just downloaded the exercise file from resource section, and this is the time for importing video clips. To import a video clip, you just have to go for file menu. So here is the file menu, and from there you have to go for import option. So this is the import option, and if you want to use the keyboard shortcut, then you have to press Ctrl and I button, and this is the keyboard shortcut for PC. And if you are using Mac, then you have to press Command and I button from your keyboard for keyboard shortcut. So let me click on this import option. So we have to open our exercise file. Here is my exercise file, and inside the exercise file you will get this editing folder, and inside the editing folder you will get this intro clip 1. You may have the different type of video clips inside the editing folder, but we are going to import the intro clip 1. So you just have to select it, and then you have to click open. So let me click open. Here we go. This is the intro clip is imported inside our project panel. So we import a video clip from our exercise file, and that placed inside the project panel. And right now we have the video clips in list view, but if you want to change the view mode, then you can do that easily. Suppose you want to have a preview of your video clip with the thumbnail. In that case, you have to use the icon view, and to enable the icon view you have to move your mouse in here, and this is the icon view option. So let me click icon view, and here is the preview of icon view, and we have the thumbnail for our video clips. Even if you move your mouse cursor on the video clip, you will have the preview of the video clips. If you want to use the freeform option, then you can use the freeform view. So let me click over here. This is the freeform, but I prefer to use the icon view. So let me click icon view. Okay, we placed the video clip inside our project panel. But if you want to do the editing, you have to move these video clips from project panel to timeline. And to do that, you have to use drag and drop method. You just have to use your mouse and you have to hold the left button of your mouse and you have to drag this video clip and you have to drop it in timeline. So we have the video clip inside our timeline, and now we're enabled for editing, and this is our program panel and here is the preview. So in next lesson we are going to learn about the basic editing. So we just learn about how to set the project and how to import the video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So
Please subscribe my channel.